NCGrads2Work is a program through Pitt Community Schools here in North Carolina. They go to schools, talk to high school seniors who, maybe not sure of what they want to do in life, and kind of introduce them into what working in the life sciences field is like.
I went through the NC Grads2Work 2-day program that prepared me to work within the steriles department. I did not envision myself working a job like this at all. I didn't really have a plan for after work, and my sister had gone through this program, so I figured she's my big sister, I'll follow in her steps. It made me feel more confident in the documentation practices, the gowning practices, and what different machines I might work on. After only 6 months, I feel very confident in what I'm doing and the work that I do. Right now, we're working on water batches, about to get into production, so I operate the machine, make sure it's running correctly, I fix anything if anything gets broken, like our syringes or vials. It's all pretty cool and I really enjoy it.
Having a career in life sciences is fantastic because not only are there a lot of growth opportunities, but you get to make a difference in the world and potentially in somebody's life.
A part of my job that I really enjoy is knowing I'm helping people live better lives. My main motivation for working in the life science industry was seeing my sister advance financially so far that she bought herself a brand new car and paid it off all within a year. So seeing her be able to do that was a great motivator for me, coming from a place that I come from.
The NC Grads2Work program is a great opportunity for students to jumpstart their careers in the life sciences manufacturing field.